Hi, I'm Mayuri. I'm a mom of a 3 years old girl. I have been working into a HR and admin profile, and nowadays I'm doing freelance recruitments, and I'm also taking care of my daughter alone. Before Sutatva, to be honest, I was using very random products. I didn't know much about chemicals, parabens. I have never heard much. So I was using randomly product, like one of the product was Himalaya because I have an oily skin, so I was using their products for my skin. I have been using from past 3 years. After I conceived, I started searching for chemical free product, and then since then I have been using Sutatva products. I was just randomly searching for some chemical free products and I saw an ad in Facebook that I got to know about Sutatva. After pregnancy, I was facing from dull skin, lots of dark circles were there, so I was recommended their golden glow serum and I started using that only. So that was my first product from Sutatva. I have started using their rose petal gel, which is really working good for my dark circles. I'm using thrice a week. Well, I think Sutatva is one of the products which is using natural ingredients, which is totally paraben free, and also they don't have any much fragrance, and it's working good miraculously on my skin. Well, I have got a sample of Mohini nectar serum, and I really found it good, so I would like to use that on a daily basis. I have been following proper CTN and I have added this rose petal gel in my morning time. I have been using thrice a week. Instead of cleansing and toning, I am applying that for 20 minutes and then cleansing it off. And at bedtime, I am using Golden Glow Serum. Well, today, like most of the products claims to be paraben free, and I honestly before Siddhartha, I have used other products also which was chemical free, but I found the difference after Sutatva only. I found difference in my skincare only after using Sutatva products, which is completely natural.